How to fix WhatsApp download pending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download pending on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just scroll until you find this one here, WhatsApp. Click on it, and now click click storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, allow storage here, click on it and click allow, and that's it. Now just click for stop and go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.